Financial planning is a key business process that is crucial to the growth and health of every business organization. In the constantly changing business climate, businesses need a robust planning solution that recognizes the multiple facets of business scenarios and helps design agile and well-tailored planning methodologies. A robust financial planning and analysis solution must accurately identify and evaluate key metrics, anticipate and plan for market changes, leverage existing data to make informed decisions, have access to a wide variety of information, be comprehensive, intelligent, and intuitive, resist bias, and challenge assumptions. Financial planning in EPM Cloud is a comprehensive planning module. It provides different planning methodologies to help you prepare income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow plan for corporate and operational departments. It has built-in content, methodologies, reports, forms, and dashboards which you can leverage and configure. Financial planning provides best practice accounts, drivers, and key performance indicators that help you quickly start your planning process. With the provided methodologies, you can perform the following best practice planning: driver-based planning that uses key business drivers to calculate financial and operational plan; trend-based planning that leverages historical trends for planning; direct input account-based planning that plans numbers for each account; predictive planning that predicts future outcome from historical data and time series-based algorithms; and rolling forecast, where planning is done continuously on a weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis across financial years. You can combine methodologies to achieve maximum benefit from the planning process. You can leverage a wide variety of data in order to build plans and forecasts. When you create an integrated financial statement plan, you include both summarized financial planning data and detailed data from one or more modules. For example, you can include both summarized granular compensation from the detailed workforce module and capital expenditure details from the capital planning module. Flexible configuration allows you to pick and choose features. You can incrementally enable the drivers and features that you require. You can always enable more features later as your planning processes mature. You can also bring in additional business dimensions such as product, services, and cost center. If your business uses custom drivers and metrics, you can easily define and configure them. You can bring in your actuals and do a variance analysis between your plan and actuals. Rolling forecast can be done in parallel to your regular plan. You can use rolling forecast to do both driver-based planning and trend-based planning. You can bring your own chart of accounts and create your account hierarchy under the top-level members. Your chart of accounts can be used for trend-based planning. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.